Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to install Google Chrome stable current version on Debian Linux 13.1. Okay, the default browser that comes with Debian Linux is Firefox. Okay, open it, then go to Google or any search engine and search for Google Chrome download. Then click on Google Chrome web browser, then select the download Chrome, then select 64-bit.debian for Debian or Ubuntu type operating systems. Then click on accept and install. Wait a moment, download will be started. If it is not started, click on download Chrome manually. See, download started and its size is 115 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install this Debian package. See, download completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads, ls. See, here we have the Debian package. Install it sudo dpkg-i google, then press the tab from the keyboard to autofill enter Debian package name, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, user is not in sudo dpkg-i google. We have successfully installed. Now go to all applications. See, here we have the Google Chrome, or you can search here. Okay, open it. See, if you want to make the Google Chrome as the default browser, you have to keep the checkbox I don't want. And if you want to send automatically usage statistics and cross reports to Google, you have to select the checkbox I don't want either of them. Then unselect them and click on OK. I don't want to sign in. See, got it. You got the Google Chrome web browser. Okay, ls, this file is not recorded anymore because we have successfully installed. We have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Google Chrome stable current version on Debian Linux 13.1. The process is same on all Debian operating systems. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.